Hello and welcome to this video. On this video, I'm going to be replacing the agitator dogs, part number 840, on my 13-year-old Sears Whirlpool washing machine. So to get started, it's pretty easy. This is the agitator assembly up here, and you're going to take this part here and turn it left, and it's going to come off. It's connected here and here, and you just turn it left and it comes loose. Inside, you're going to find a 7/16 bolt. It's going to look like this. This one's all rusted, so I actually went and got a stainless steel bolt to replace it with. Anyway, you'll have to take it out with a 7/16, and you may end up having to take a screwdriver and clean up all around it in order to get it loose. So once that's loose, you'll be able to pull this whole thing out here. I'll show you that here in just a second. Inside, you're going to find this plastic cup that comes out with a spring on it. This is my original bolt, and on it is also a rubber seal that goes on the inside of the cup. And part of that is this assembly that comes out next. And the agitator dogs go here. Mine are missing because mine actually were shredded into pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and put new ones on and we'll put it back in, but that's what it looks like. And then the main assembly that comes off looks like this. These are kind of expensive. Hopefully you won't have to replace it. These are like 70 bucks. It's got like a ratchet assembly in it. So that goes in there, and I'm going to take the piece out and put the new dogs in. I'll show you that here in just a second. Before I put the new dogs in, I'm going to put a little bit of lubrication where the dogs go in at the areas here. I'm just going to put a little bit of grease in there. And then I'm going to insert the dogs, and what I'm going to do is after I put the grease in, I'm just going to put a tiny bit, and I'm going to use the Kleenex to wipe any excess off. And then I'm going to put the dogs in, and then a little cover slides down. I'm going to show you that momentarily. Okay, now I've put the dogs, I've just slipped them right inside here. And there's a piece that retains them in place, and it just slides down and over. So it goes something like that. And when you have it all the way down, it'll clip into place. You'll hear it click like that. So now this is all ready to be reinstalled. So I'm going to flip it upside down and put it back in. And then we're going to put the other piece in behind it. Okay, I have my new piece ready to go with the new bolt in it. It goes in there like this. And then I'm going to take a socket and an extension and just hand tighten it. And then I'm going to use my ratchet to snug it up, just barely get snug once you get it tightened up. So then once you do that, you put the cap back on, and you're basically finished with this project. It's a 5-minute job, very easy to do. So thank you for watching.